Advizr Robo-investment planning. Honest review: watch before using. Advizr is not a traditional robo-advisor for investing. Instead, it's a financial planning software designed to help financial advisors creating a comprehensive plan for their clients. It focuses on retirement planning, goal settings, and cash flow analysis rather than automated investing. And here's the key features of this investing planning. It comes with the financial goal settings and tracking, retirement and cash planning, integration with financial advisor, and no automated portfolio management. And here's the variable part of this plan. It comes with a comprehensive financial planning tools and a useful for advisor managing multiple clients, and also it helps individual to set a long-term financial goal. And also the downside of this plan is not an actual robo advisor for investing, no automated portfolio management, and also requires a financial advisor involvement. And here's the final conclusion. If you're looking for automated investing, Advizr is not a robo-advisor and won't fit your needs. Instead, consider alternatives like Nutmeg, Money Firm, or Moneybox, which offer portfolio management, automatic rebalancing, and tailored investment strategies.